Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about a cell and what is there inside a cell. Earlier I uploaded one video in which many students complained that the sound was lagging or something, sound was cracking. So I will change it and I will send it to you again. Today I am going to discuss about cell, battery and bulb. Whatever topic I explained there, I am going to explain to you again. Now, what is the definition of cell? A cell is a source of, that simplest you can say, source of electrical energy. A cell is a source of electrical energy. Now, when we see a cell, you can see that there is a metallic cap above and there is a flat metal base. Okay. Now, every cell is having two terminals. Okay. You can see, I think you are putting these cells in every toy, in every devices, and you are knowing that on one side it's written plus sign and on the other side it's written minus sign. Where it's written plus sign? Now the metal cap is written, the metal cap is the positive terminal of the cell and the flat metal base is the negative terminal of the cell. Okay. Now what is there inside a cell, as you can see from the figure. Now when you open a cell with the help of an adult, for example I have opened this one. Okay. Now what you find? This is the outer covering, okay, metal, this one metal sheet is there, and inside what I found, see this metallic one you can see or not, this is the zinc can. What is there? This is the zinc can. Okay, now with the help of diagram I am explaining. Now the metal cap is connected to a carbon rod, which is the positive terminal of the cell. That is, carbon rod is the positive terminal of the cell. Okay. Now, and the zinc can, as you can see, it is the negative terminal of the cell. Now with this, see this cell, this is the zinc can, which is the negative terminal of the cell, and the metal cap is fitted with a carbon rod, which is the positive terminal of the cell. And outside what is there? It is sealed from the top and outside with a metal this one sheet, so that to prevent leakage. Now if I open this zinc can, what I will found is, I will found one blackish chemical paste, that is mixture of carbon and manganese dioxide. Okay, now a reaction between the blackish chemical paste and the metal container provides electrical energy to run electrical devices. That means a chemical reaction takes place between this blackish chemical paste and the zinc can, and what happened? It provides electrical energy to run electrical devices. That means a cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy. What does a cell do? A cell converts, since a chemical reaction is taking place, that means a cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy. Okay, and it provides electrical energy to run electrical devices. Okay. Now, quite often one cell, since cell provide a small amount of energy, in many devices or in many toys you can find that one cell is not, we require more than one cell. Okay, since it does not provide enough electrical energy. So in that case we take two cells. Okay, and cells can be connected in either of the form. Cells can be connected in this way also. Okay, and cells can be connected in this way also. Okay, now have you seen this one? What is this? This is a battery holder. You can make a battery holder at home also. Okay, now what is this combination of cells called? Group of connected cells is called a battery. What is battery? Group of connected cells is called battery. Yes, you can see battery is there in cars also. That means a group of combination of cells, when they are connected together, it forms a battery. This is a 9-volt battery. That means if many cells are being connected and made a battery. Since cells does not provide enough electrical energy, so more than one cells are needed in many toys or in many devices. Okay, how can you define battery? Group of connected cells is called a battery. Okay, now take a simple device such as torch. Okay, now in a torch what we do? We put these cells, and what we get light energy. That means electrical energy is being converted into light energy. Okay, we use torch to light a room, and what is there inside the torch? A bulb is there or not? Now let us read about bulb. what is bulb and what are the two terminals of the bulb. About bulb. Now, see this bulb. What is there inside a bulb? A bulb is having a thin wire inside. That thin wire is known as the filament. It is this filament only which gives off the light. Now, this filament is connected to two thicker wires. One of the thicker wire is connected to the metal case and another thicker wire is connected to the metallic tip. Okay, metal case and the metallic tip are the two terminals of the bulb. See, a cell is also having two terminals, positive terminal and a negative terminal. And a bulb is also having two terminals. One is the metal case and another is the metallic tip. Okay, then irrespective, we can't say that a metal case is a positive or the metal tip is a negative terminal. There are no positive and negative terminal in a bulb. Only two terminals are there, that is metal case and the metallic tip. Okay, nowadays quite often you see LEDs. Now what is LED? What is the full form of LED? Do you know? LED full form is light emitting diode. What is the full form of LED? It is light emitting diode. Now what is this diode? Diode is a semiconductor which you will learn in the higher classes. Now in LED bulb you can see that is also having two terminals, one longer one and the shorter one. The longer one is the positive terminal and the shorter one is the negative terminal. From this what we conclude is that both the electric cell and the bulb have two terminals each. A cell has to be connected to a bulb to make it light up. Now how we can use this cell and a bulb to make the bulb light up? That will make an electric circuit. Okay. Now for today your assignment will be, I will be sending you PDF of one draw inside of a cell that you are going to draw in copy and the diagram figure of the bulb. Okay. And in the next class we will learn about how we connect the cell and a bulb to make an electric circuit and what is an electric circuit, that we are going to discuss.